to the defending champions, and we have a fan or two fans rather in the stream of Italy.
Mithul showing the wrong scarf.
Very wrong stuff. Very out of. मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं वहाँ पे. Neither of the teams are from Italy.
एडिटिंग करवा लेंगे क्या हो गया.
I'm wearing blue to support the color because the Italian jersey is also blue this time.
Yeah, my Italian jersey is on the way. Hopefully till the next stream.
Let's talk about Italy. So everybody can remember what happened in the last Euros. Italy had a strong start, but nobody expected them to win. But after a strong start, they had their defense on point, and they made it to the finals, won it on penalties. But what will be interesting is the defensive core is gone. Not only the defensive core, but I think somewhere in the midfield also, it's a bit. Some of the new players are in. For the 3-year difference has changed a lot in the squad. So Mithul and Shreya, your thoughts on the new squad and how will it pan out?
I'm just not really excited to see Spalletti coach them because I think Spalletti, like, it's a recency bias that, okay, Spalletti has managed, Napoli, and they did win the league in 2 years, 2 years ago.
Last season only, yeah.
Last season, okay. Last season itself. But again, this squad is pretty new, and yes, there are some players not there in the squad who have the leadership mentality. Other than, like, some players like Jorginho, he's still there in the squad. He's taken, of course, he has had a decent season in Arsenal this year. But other than that, there are a lot of new young guns in the squad, and also a lot of new players from Atalanta who have been doing well this season, from Genoa, also from 4 players from Roma. So the defenders list is not the worst, but I might, not be able to say exactly who is the weak link out of here. I still feel Di Lorenzo is kind of a weak link, but ठीक है, उसके साथ मतलब वो भी है ना, मतलब Bastoni भी है. Then there's also Buongiorno who is decent. I don't trust a few defenders here and there, but otherwise the squad is okay. I feel they might still be see, like, again, we watched the friendlies recently, and Italy wasn't able to do much in that game. There were a lot of chances missed, but pretty poor going ahead into the, like, into the box and everything. But otherwise, I'm not saying that Italy will be the dark horses here. They will give a fight in this competition. But not इतना आगे तक जाना थोड़ा मुश्किल लग रहा है. I think Spalletti needs to choose and do some man management and decide the starting 11 properly.
Yeah, I think, like, it's a start of a new cycle, because last time we had a good squad, a very complete squad, I would say, but we didn't have a good depth. Off the bench, we were not able to make much difference, if you say. We had a great starting 11, if you like, 2 centre-back pairing, Chiellini, Bonucci, were there. Verratti was also the key, who is not here anymore.
Yeah.
Immobile, thankfully, is not there this time. But Berardi was there also, who did, who did well. And Chiesa was on his best form of his life, right? And yeah, Donnarumma is still fine. He's good. He has done well for PSG, even though he's at PSG. So I think there are a lot of, I was reading this, that out of the 26-man squad, 18 to 19 Italian players will be playing first ever big competition for Italy. So I think that's a bold statement, because we have a lot of young lads coming, and they all are like, they have a very high ceiling. They have a good potential. They might become world class in future, but they are not yet. So for the first time, I think Italy might just be facing what Spain, Germany and England has always faced, problem of plenty. Because if you see the centre backs we have, the defenders we have, all are young lads, and everyone is like almost on the same bar. So it would be very tough for Spalletti to think who is going to be there and who is not. Apart from that, midfield mein Barella is like, he has some issues in his leg. He's injured as of now. He's undergoing therapy, and they're trying their best to make him return before the first game against Albania. Because if he's not there, then our midfield is, actually going to be questioned a lot. Because Tonali was supposed to be there, but Tonali went other ways, right? I hope he's not betting in Euros at least. So,
man, Tonali, stop, please.
Yeah, please stop. Humble request, right? So maybe he's watching our stream and he's like, चलो लगाते हैं अब थोड़ा fantasy पे, right? And the worst thing, he bets on his own team, which is even funnier, right? He's betting on his own team. So yeah, but Tonali is not there. So I think Jorginho, Varela, and Pellegrini will be the ones starting in mid. Up front, I think we are going with a 3-5-2 formation this time, back three, and two wing backs. And up two should be Skamaka and Chiesa. Thankfully, finally we have a tall number 9 after ages who is in form. But I don't want to go ahead of my time because Immobile भी ऐसे ही था हमेशा सीरिया में. He is one of the active all-time top scorer of Syria, by the way.
National
And national team में he is immobile, literally. So I hope Skamaka proves the curse wrong because Italy won't be making much chances this time, and we have one of the toughest groups: Spain, Albania, and Croatia. I think we are in the group of death for sure. And if we even think of a second or third finish, क्योंकि third से भी जा सकते हैं, but why to take the hard way out, right? We should be focusing on a top 2 finish. So we have to take our chances very seriously. वैसे Italy squad बहुत कम chance बनाता है. So I hope कि our defense might be doing decent because they're expected to do that. We are Italy after all. We are expected to, snatch some t-shirts and make them fall down and do some shithousery. The Italian job. But yeah, we have to score goals because ये group बहुत tricky है. तो GD हमारा plus में रहना चाहिए. That is the only way we can get on a third position also and go through. But I'm still optimistic with the team. I hope we go to QF. We might even go to semis. और अगर हम वहाँ तक जाएंगे तो I think Italy might go all the way. So
I
either
think
we
even the forward backups are good.
we have good. We have
El Shaarawy and
El Shaarawy, Raspadori. Yeah. So इस बार वो है कि like we have a good depth. Maybe our starting 11 is not that quality जो last time थी, but depth अच्छी है. So around 60 minutes we can make a changes और थोड़ा game change कर सकते हैं, पलट सकते हैं, which is a very very happy thing I would say for Italy because we were praying for such blessed quality squad in the past.
Good question. Who will be playing the left back or left wing back position?
Yes, so like I'm saying, we are playing 3 at the back. तो पहले 3 होंगे Bastoni and Calafiori cannot start with Bastoni because they are almost similar style players. So maybe Buongiorno, and on the right we'll be having Di Lorenzo, right? Because he is experienced. We have to have someone experienced.
You won't start Mancini.
Mancini is not going to start. He's still not ready for the country. Yeah.
left
वो थोड़ा सा
wing
मतलब
position?
he's very risky. Like he's just like Gatti. दोनों बहुत गलतियाँ करते हैं. तो वो बहुत बड़ा like in country you don't take much risk, right? Conservative approach. And then on the wings we might have Di Marco and Cambiaso maybe. Who knows who's going to play on the right? It's still Darmian can also be there. on the right. Yeah, Darmian also. But yeah, Di Marco most probably on the left because Jamal Musiala will be on the right wing for Spain. So that would be Lamine Yamal. Lamine Yamal. Sorry, my bad. I always get confused in Jamal and Yamal. Right. But yeah. And also Italy के साथ ये है, we always have a very slow start in any tournament. And as we grow in the tournament, like as we go through, तो उतना ही हमारा game अच्छा होता रहता है. So, and we are at our best when we are underdogs. Buffon also said this. Buffon also said this yesterday. कि Italy is at their best when they are underdog in a tournament, right? So this time also we are again dark horses. So that is the only thing that could be an edge for us.
I'm worried for Italy, but I will hope.
Yeah,
And
worried
try
for
not to.
always.